Welcome, lovely viewers. Today we are going to look at the direct credit system on DigiSales. We have two types of credit system on DigiSales: the direct credit system and then the indirect credit system. The direct credit system is very simple to use, but the indirect credit system is a full administrative credit system that will follow certain protocol before an authorizer of a credit authorize the credit. So let's look at the simple one, direct credit system. So all you need to do is to log in.
Welcome M+.
You realize that the software welcomes the users. It has a voice prompt in that recognizes every user. So it mentions your name and recognizes you. This is being used in a lot of softwares nowadays due to the AI. The AI technology is going on, and very soon DigiSales will be part of the AI, where DigiSales will perform certain functions and restrictions automatically when felt it's being violated. Yes, the AI version will be coming out very soon. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you to go to our YouTube channel, watch our videos, and get used to the functions and how the functions can be used properly to the advantage of your business. DigiSales is a biometric software, so you have your picture here. When you also log in, you get your picture there. The registration is done with your picture and your national ID. Please kindly remember that for new users. So let's go direct to direct credit. So how do we do it? You click on the credit tab, crediting tab. So when you click on it, you go straight to the credit payment system. There are two payment systems here. This is the direct credit system. So you click on new. So let's say Madam B is buying something or has bought something under credit for 100 CD, has 50 CD right now paying. So you click on the calculator, you get a balance of 50. So the software is telling you Madam B has a balance of 50. So you click OK. Because we didn't enter the invoice number, the software refuses to allow us to continue. That is one of the control measures that is coded with the software so that it can prevent error. So we go here and enter the invoice number. So let's say it's 96 or let's say 98. I will show you how an invoice number like this came about. So we'll go there very soon. So let's continue. So we click done, then it tells us the credit account has been created. So once you initiate a credit account like this, you are done. So anytime Madam B comes, the follow-up is to go to update and update on Madam B. You see 98. So you click on 98 and you realize that the deposit that he brought 50 is there. Now Madam B, this is the second time Madam B is crediting. That's the meaning of the folio number. So let's say Madam B have decided to pay 20 again. So you click on the calculator same icon. So you get to have your balance of 30. Then you click OK. So you realize that the purchases history is always being created. To know, you just click on it. You see, it tells you 20 CD have been paid on this day, processed by P9. That's my staff ID. So this is how the direct credit system operates. You can always clear, you can always delete something, you can always delete a history or delete an account if you feel the account you created is not needed. So this is how the direct credit system operates. So how do we get the receipt number? So let's go to sales by stock. You realize that sales by stock has a receipt number. So this is where we got the 98 from. So when you are selling and you come to purchase mode, please remember yours should not be credit, because we have two types of credit. Now you should input the credit system you are going to use here. If you are going to use the direct credit system, please input direct credit. If you know you are going to use the indirect credit in addition, input an indirect. So if you supply an item under indirect credit system, that means the credit payment you must choose. Anytime the payment is being done, it's indirect. If you choose a direct credit system and you supply, when a payment is being done, you click on the direct. So this is how a credit system on DigiSales operates. My next video, I'm going to talk about the indirect credit system, where you take advantage of a full digital credit sales system. Thank you very much for watching.